guys, what's up? Right now, I've finished my wasp trap. So, as I said, you just put some tape on the top, and there's a bit of oil in there, but you can't see it because the oil's clear. Then, the sugar water is just in the bottom. I think myself, it just needs to be quite strong with sugar. So yeah, I'll be really impressed when this gets a wasp in here. So yeah, good. So basically, all you really need to do is like the tape. You can use any kind of tape you like masking tape, duct tape, any kind of tape like that. Just wrap it around the top. Doesn't matter what length really, because you can just put it on top of it. Then, as I said, top, this bit is upside down, as you can see, the little lid bit there. Then, like, there's the sugar water in the bottom. It doesn't really matter what kind of bottle it is, as long as you can see in it well enough to be able to see if there's a wasp in it. Because if you can't, poke your eye in, might try and fly up and sting you. So yeah, be careful about that. So yeah, hope you liked it. Goodbye.